threatened with flooding include Winston-Salem, Kernersville, Clements, Bellows Creek, Thomasville, Lexington, and Linwood. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of floods and flash floods. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling 1-877-633-6772 or notify your local law enforcement agency. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson and Forsyth.